Welcome back to Solving Factory. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to create an Instagram account. Let's start this tutorial by downloading the Instagram app using App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Go ahead and search for Instagram and download the official application. Once the download and installation is complete, open the app. On the welcome screen, you'll see options to log in or create new account. Since you don't have an account yet, tap on Create a New Account. Next, enter your name so that your friends can find you. After that, create a password with at least 6 letters or numbers that can't be guessed easily by others. Tap Next button to proceed. Now you can choose to save your login info or not. Enter your birth date. Then next, create a username, or you can use the suggestion they provided. After that, provide your mobile number to be used for the verification, or you can choose to use email address. Tap Next button below. In here, enter the confirmation code sent to your mobile number. Next, agree to Instagram's terms and policies by tapping the I agree button. Now you can add a profile picture so people can know that it's you. Next, customize your experience. You can choose to sync your contacts to find your friends easily. You can also choose to get Facebook suggestions, which it will find people you know from Facebook. Now discover people and follow them by tapping the follow button. Tap the next button when you're done. There you go, your Instagram account has been created. You can start exploring Instagram, follow accounts, post photos or videos, and engage with other users. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.